Are you tired of being stuck in a wizard every time you want to configure PAM modules? I get it. Today, we're going to show you how to enable PAM module packages in non-interactive mode so you can get back to what really matters. I know how frustrating it can be when you just want to make a quick change, but a wizard pops up and slows you down. You're definitely not alone in this. Many users face the same issue when trying to streamline their PAM configurations. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user recently asked, how can I enable the Create Home Directory on Login option without the wizard? This is a common scenario for those who want to automate their setup. Sound familiar? Let's find a solution together. So what's the deal with pam-auth-update? This command is designed to help you manage PAM configurations easily, but it can be a bit cumbersome when you want to do it without any prompts. Understanding how to bypass the wizard will save you time and effort. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that will make your PAM configuration process even smoother. To enable the PAM module package for creating a home directory on login in non-interactive mode, the user should first create a configuration file. This file will specify the modules to be enabled without any prompts. Next, the user needs to ensure that the configuration file is placed in the correct directory. This is typically located in the /pam.d/ directory. After placing the configuration file, the user should run the pam-auth-update command in non-interactive mode. This can be done by using the -n option. Finally, the user should verify that the changes have been applied successfully. This can be done by checking the PAM configuration files. Fun fact, did you know that PAM stands for Pluggable Authentication Modules? It's a powerful framework that allows you to manage authentication methods in a flexible way. Pretty cool, right? Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using the -enable switch with pam-auth-update. This switch was introduced in version 1.1.8-3.7 for Debian and is available in Ubuntu since version 18.04. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. An alternative solution from another user suggests using the command pam-auth-update with the package option. This method allows you to enable PAM module packages without any prompt window. Here's a pro tip. Always back up your PAM configuration files before making changes. If something goes wrong, you can easily revert back to the previous settings. And there you have it. You can now configure pam-auth-update in non-interactive mode without any hassle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. And remember, a little preparation goes a long way in tech.